So here it is, that's the pyramid. Some people have circles of deliverables. Other people have all sorts of pictures and graphs. These are all the deliverables that you will now need. And once all of this is done and you submit to the FDA, you're probably going to want to upgrade the device. You have a product roadmap. You want to change it. So now all of this needs to be done to some level. The paperwork is always there. It's never done. So you go to your team, marketing comes to you, whatever it is, says, okay, great, let's go to the phase 2, the next gen version. And what happens then is that you have to go back, change some code, go ahead, excuse me, and do the testing on the code. Now, if that code wasn't written correctly, now your code touches all different parts of the code elsewhere. All of that code needs to be tested. So if you wrote it in a very functional way, so many functions per lines of code, and it's broken down very nicely and laid out in a modular fashion, you can pick and choose how you upgrade that device just in those areas and test that area. Make sure the paperwork is done and do your testing. If, and we see it often, code will stay in one area but also touch another microprocessor or another board, or just kind of overrun and go elsewhere. Now you have to test all of that code again, and that's just dollars really wasted if you didn't do it right the first time.
Thank you for watching another snippet from my presentation at the Medical Device Conference in Chicago. Remember, the processes and procedures are dictated very clearly by both the FDA and in Europe, MDR. General Digital is here to support you if you need your product to market faster, safer, and with less cost. Thank you. Contact me at the number or email on the screen.